Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little weekend in my life. I am about to meet up with a couple other girls to meet up with the rest of our group, and we are taking a bus to Lviv, Ukraine. I think it's like a 6 or 7 hour bus ride, and then we'll be there Saturday and half of Sunday, and then we come home Sunday. But yeah, I'm so excited for a new vacation and to explore a new city. It's like 10:30 Friday night, so I'm all packed up. I'm about to like officially pack up everything, get on my shoes, say goodbye to my host family. But yeah, I'm just taking this backpack, water bottle. I still have to put my camera in, and then I have this with my blanket and rain jacket. Alright, so we made it to Lviv. It's actually like 7 o'clock at night. We're all heading out to dinner right now, but we've just been exploring the city. It's been so much fun. It's like pitch black here in our hostel, and I can't see the steps where I'm walking, so. Hello from Lviv. It is Sunday morning. It's about 9 a.m. We all just woke up. I'm out on our balcony of our hostel, and it's so pretty. We're about to head out to get some breakfast. But yeah, sorry, this is the first like real clip of me talking. It's just we've been out and about exploring, and I don't really like vlogging around big groups of people, so I didn't. But Lviv is so pretty, it's so charming. It's just like an old Europe town, and that's what I just like love. So hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Yeah, after breakfast we have to come back, put our stuff on the bus, and then I think we have a couple more hours to explore. Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. We honestly had like the best weekend. We all said that it was our favorite few days in Ukraine so far. It's just so different from Kiev, which is where we live. And it makes me really excited for Krakow, Poland this coming weekend. And Lviv was actually a part of Poland, so I feel like the architecture is going to be fairly similar. So yeah, I'm just so excited. Just traveling and like getting to explore new cities is so fun for me. So I loved it. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!